This will be setup of Tapo S515 smart switch. Here you can see it's already installed and it's red, letting me know it needs to be set up. Here we have the application. Come to the upper right-hand corner, add a device. Notice it's already sending a signal that this needs to be set up. If it's not, you can simply search for the name Tapo S515 up here and it will show up, but we're going to use this quick toggle right here to do it. So I'm going to select it and it is connecting the Tapo device to the network. And sorry, the lighting's not great. It's taking a while. So if you have pre-existing Tapo devices and you need to access your network, that's it, pairing up to Alex A. Just make sure you're on the correct Wi-Fi network, which is generally why it would find something like that. We're going to give it a name now and select next. And it's asking us, where is this going to be located? This is mostly for grouping. So I'm going to say it's for the basement grouping and we assign a picture to it. This is going to be for a trigger to group a bunch of lights together. So I'm going to say next, check for firmware. Everything looks good. So we're good to go. When is it going to check for firmware? I'm going to change it because I have a lot of default Tapo devices that check during that time frame. And here we go, new. And if I click this, it's going to toggle on and off, letting me know that setup is complete.